Hi, everyone from the group. Yesterday, I promised one of the user that I would help. I will post a video for the oil pump disk. The user from the group wanted to know that the difference between 350 cc oil pump disk and 500 cc oil pump disk. So these are the brand new 500 cc oil pump disks, and this is a standard 350 cc oil pump disc. So the difference between the 350 and 500 is the stem. 350 has a thinner one and the 500 cc has a thicker one. So the same thing goes with the exhaust as well. You can see the difference now. If I'm not uh, if you are able to see the difference of the thickness. Yes, okay. So a piece of advice: before you would want to switch the oil pump disc from 350 to 500, what I want you to do is, here I have a spare timing cover with me, which will actually I keep as a backup. So what I want you to do is just take a standard 350 cc oil pump disc, exhaust or inlet, just see the difference. Okay, sorry about that. This is the thickness. This is a slight reduced size. This is sitting inside perfectly and leaving some space in the curve. What you see, if you see the groove, and the 500 cc oil pump disc stem would sit perfectly. It is facing facing is perfectly perfect. And now, once this is done, if it's a brand 2000 series to 2007 or 8 series, standard 350 thing bike, and the timing cover is brand new, so you will have to get rid of, you will have to shave a 500 cc oil pump disc. If you see the difference, this is slightly bigger than the standard 350 cc oil pump disc. If this is the thing, you will have to shave the curve from here about about zero point 0.8 to bring it so that it sits perfectly and it doesn't interfere in between the gasket, the packing, and the oil pump disc cover, and the movement becomes more soft. Now, piece of advice: if you, I have a used oil pump disc. If you can see the marks over here, this is uneven because what happens is, after running for longer years, uh, hundreds and thousands of kilometers, the vibration, due to the vibration or wear and tear, this disc will start getting a marks, and that's due to because of the play. So if you're getting it switched at a professional with a mechanic, the mechanic would by default use a grinding paste, fine grinding paste, apply it onto the surface, and also onto the before the mechanic would use it, or you could also use it, take a piece of glass, thick glass, apply a fine grit paste, and start with the add some drops of kerosene to make it more soft, and start rotating clockwise, anti-clockwise. So this becomes polished. This will have a polish and it becomes shiny as this. So once this is done, take some paste, apply it over here, rotate it with the help of thumb, press, put a pressure, start rotating it at the angle of 90 degrees to 180 degrees. And once that is done, the polish, this becomes polished. Wash it, take it to the high pressure wash, and get the pump oil grooves washed. Once this is washed, apply some oil, wash this with the petrol, clean the dirt from inside these stemp area where the pump works, suction and pumping happens. So once that is done, and before doing it, block these two holes with your thumb and check the pump. The suction and the vacuum should be more. You should get this sound. It usually doesn't happen with the used ones. See, the sound is not that. See this? This is worn out. See this? You won't get any sound. So this set is discarded because it's worn out. So use a 500cc and enjoy more oil pressure. Thank you. You have a great